What's software testing? Imagine that you have been working on a new product for 2 years. Let's say that this product is a mobile application. You believe that your product is perfect and you are deciding to release the first version of this product. Then you are announcing that the product will be released after 2 months. The users are so excited and they want to try your product. Then finally, the big day comes and you release the product. After a few days, you look at the statistics and it's terrifying. Nearly everyone gave 2-star reviews out of 5 to your mobile app. It turns out that your product has some bugs. For example, in the sign up page, it's only possible to write 5 letters in the name text field. But there are some users whose name consists of more than 5 characters or letters. They couldn't sign up for the app, that's why they gave very bad reviews. The user's first impression on your app is absolutely negative, and for that reason you lose a lot of customers. But how can you prevent this issue? The answer is certainly software testing. Before releasing the product, you need to test your mobile app to give bug-free products to your customers. You may think that your product is great because software developers worked carefully on this product. However, consider that making a mistake is in the human's nature. Although you perfectly try to create your app, at the end of the day, having a buggy product is always possible. Therefore, you really should consider software testing before releasing the final product. The simple definition of software testing can be it's a process of finding errors, defects, or bugs in the developed product. To give a clear understanding of why software testing is very important, I would like to give real examples of buggy products that cost tons of money and even kill innocent lives. On April 26, 1994, China Airlines Airbus A300 crashed due to the software bug. It resulted in killing 264 innocent lives. In April of 1999, a software bug caused the failure of military satellite launch. The cost was 1.2 billion US dollars. Nissan cars recalled over 1 million cars from the market due to software failure in the airbag sensor detectors. There have been 2 reported accidents due to these software failures. These real examples are just a few of software bugs. There are a lot of other examples that you can check out yourself later. Finally, if you don't want your product to have this kind of issue, then you have to always do software testing. Alright, that's all from my side. See you in the next video.